spinach dal. This is very tasty side dish for rice and chapati also. Now let us see how to prepare this spinach dal. Take small cup of tur dal and wash nicely. Soak in hot water for 30 minutes. Soaking dal in hot water gives a good taste to dal. Spinach. Wash thoroughly and cut into pieces. Now let us see all ingredients we need for spinach dal. Dal soaked in water. Spinach cut into small pieces. Onion. Green chilies. Salt. Here I am using pink salt. You can use your regular salt. Chili powder and tamarind. Curry leaves, turmeric, mustard, cumin, oil and asafoetida we need for seasoning. Now let us start preparation of spinach dal. Our dal was soaked in hot water for half an hour. As I said, soaking in hot water will give a very good taste to dal. Because I soaked this dal in hot water. See how nicely it was soaked. Now add spinach to this dal. After adding this spinach, we have to add onions. Now green chilies. Now adding chilies is depending on the taste. If you like spicy, add more chilies. This is chili powder. After chili powder, you have to add tamarind. Tamarind, if you don't like, you can quit also. At last, you have to add salt. I am using pink salt. You can use your regular salt also. Now cooker is ready. Close the lid. Keep cooker on stove in low flame. Get 2 whistles. After getting 2 whistles, we have to season the spinach dal. We got 2 whistles of pressure cooker and it came to room temperature. Now it's time to open the cooker. Let us see how is it. See, the dal cooked nicely. Mix well with the help of spoon. If you want liquid dal, add little water too. Mix well. Mash dal nicely. If you want, you can add little water too. Now dal is ready. It's time to season dal. Seasoning, keep a small pan. Take 1 or 2 spoons oil. Let the oil heat up. In oil, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, curry leaves, and asafoetida. You can add little urad dal also to this if you like. Fry all ingredients in oil for a minute. Now add this seasoning to dal. After adding this oil, you mix dal nicely and keep on stove for a minute. Now tasty spinach dal is ready to serve.